is once-in-a-lifetime experience that everyone looks forward to their whole high school year. There's so much preparation that goes into prom, including finding a date. So, I would like to ask you, would you go to prom with me? Students find creative ways to ask out their dates. Some pop out of a box. Some dance. Some play their instruments. Some choose to publicize their proposal. Some use a bunch of M&Ms. So, what's gonna happen next?
One for the money, two for the show. We got the party people screaming out.
I am ready for something. Honey, I was born ready for nights like this.
Let's go.
Like crazy, foolish, stupid, party going wild, fist pumping music. I might lose it, glass to the roof, how we lose it, lose it, lose it. I don't care tonight, she don't care. We like almost there, the right vibe, ready to get live. Ain't no surprise, take me so high, jumping those dives, surfing the crowd. Said I gotta be the man, I'm the head of my band. Mic check 1, 2. Shut them down in the club when the Playboy does, till they all get loose, loose. Out the bottle, we all get fit in again tomorrow. Gotta break rules, cause that's the motto. Club shut down, 100 supermodels.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home and be a home run, show me how you do. I wanna shut down in the club. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones.
Party rocker, for showstopper, more shampoo, #1 club hopper. Got a hangover like too much vodka. Can't see me with 10 binoculars. So cool, no doubt by the end of the night. Got the clothes coming off, then I make that move. Somehow, some way, gotta raise the roof. All black shades when the sun come through.
Alright, let's everybody announcing the king, who is RJ Salazar. The queen is Charlene Brunt.
It was the best prom ever, I think. It was so fun. Everything was perfect. It was so good.
Prom was good. Don't drop that dust on us.
That was my request.
Yeah!
When was your favorite moment? All of it, the whole time, because I was dancing. And I was good.
We're really tired. Prom was freaking awesome.
It was amazing. We had so much fun.
Do you want to see mine and Paul?
You want to see mine too? Wait, hold on. You want to look at mine?